Hey, hello guys. I'm gonna talk about the Umidigi Z2 Pro. The thing is, there is something going on with this device. I don't know. I feel like there's many people looking for this fix. I thought it was a software issue or something like that. I was waiting for an update and all that. I sent messages to the Umidigi on AliExpress and all that, but they didn't reply. I sent messages almost every day for 4 days, but they didn't reply. So I decided to open the phone and see if something gonna happen to it, like see if it was a physical problem on it. But I found out that it was the physical problem because it didn't work for it just worked for 5 seconds, and then the loudspeaker gonna go all the way down. I don't know, and stuff like that. I don't know what's going on with yours. Might be similar cases, but mine get worse and worse. One day I drop it from like um 3 foot high, and then the microphone stopped working. So I decided to open it up. So I say, well, I work on phones. I didn't want to open it up because sometimes you can damage the back glass. You can fade the what is this, the color or something like that. But Umidigi, they didn't reply, so I decided to do it. And I found out that there was a physical issue on it. Basically, what I did is take out the loudspeaker and then reconnect the charging port cable. Let me show you where is it. You can research for Umidigi Z2 Pro third down or disassembly. Let's go to disassembly. You click whatever you want. Let's see if this one is good. Well, I think this one is good. And let me put it where is the connector I'm talking about. Because right now it's been working fine since the morning. Because I did it today. I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but it's been working a while since it wasn't working for only 5 seconds. But take it up to your own risk. There is always a risk doing this. And this is just to let you know how to fix it. It's not a professional video. It's my um you know from just to help out the people that has this issue because they don't reply to the to the customers, I guess, or something like that. Okay, let me put it in better quality right there. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, if you see this little connector, you have to take off the speaker. Is that whole piece right there, this one, and that was the connector you need to make sure it's on the right place, this one right there. And I hope this video helped you out with that, and If you don't like it, hit dislike, and if you like it, hit like. I don't know. Share if you have a friend with Umidigi Z2 Pro or the Z. I don't know how many devices has this issue. But thank you. Have a nice day and be careful with the quality.